Hello and welcome to this first video in the GCSE Maths series. I want to start today with a little tutorial about how to add and subtract negative numbers. So I've got here a first question, 15 plus negative 7, and I've also printed a vertical number line. Now I think a vertical number line is a very useful tool when dealing with adding and subtracting negative numbers. And the first thing I would do when using one of these is to mark on the starting point. So the starting point of this question is 15, so I'm just going to roughly place 15 on that number line. As you can see, it's above 0. Now, if we were adding positive 7, we would go up this number line. We would go further up from 15 and count 7 up. Now, when we're adding and subtracting negative numbers, we're actually doing the opposite of what we would be doing if it was a positive. So instead of going up, we're going to go down 7. And if we go down 7 places, we're going to get to positive 8. So our first answer is positive 8. Now, moving on to a second example. As you can see here, we've got negative 17 plus negative 3. So I'm going to mark on the starting point, same as before. However, this time, our starting point is below the 0. As you can see, negative 17 is less than 0. Again, we're adding. And normally, when we add, we go up. However, this time, because we're adding a negative number, we're going to go further down from negative 17, we're going to go down 3 more places and we're going to end up at negative 20. So again, that's our answer for this second question, negative 20. But what about with subtracts? So if I turn this over, we've got a third question there. 22, take away negative 19. So again, I'm marking the starting point, positive 22, above the 0, and we're taking away. And normally when we take away, we go down. However, because we're taking away a negative number, we're going to go up. So instead of going down 19 places to 3, we're going to go up 19 places, all the way up there, and that is going to be 41. So if we go up from 22, 19 places, we get 41. My final example. Negative 27, take away negative 6. So again, I'm marking on the starting point, negative 27, below 0. We're taking away, so normally we would go down, but this is a negative that we're taking away. So we're instead going to do the opposite. We're going to go up. And we're going to go up 6 places. So from minus 27 up 6 places. So minus 26, minus 25, minus 24, minus 23, minus 22, minus 21 will be our finishing position. So our answer to that question would be minus 21.